This video I will show you another newly launched base AI meme coins, and friends, this meme coin has potential to be the next listing for Binance Exchange. As recently we saw massive hype in crypto market for AI meme coin, and this is another AI category meme coin. So it's definitely possible that this meme coin can be the next big meme coin, and we can see its market cap in $1 billion here. So video is be very special. Very point have to just for the company here. Cerberus Snap $0.35 current price, and you can see last 30 days performance is not good. 34% dump in last 30 days, 11% dump in last 14 days, 16% dump in last 7 days. So this dump is good for us. This is because this is very awesome meme coin, AI category meme coin, and it's possible that we can see Binance listing also. Why I'm very bullish about Binance listing, I will show you later. You can see, friends, $355 million market already. Okay, $355 million market. So this is huge, friends. At $6 million trading volume in last 24 hours, nearly 1 billion coin supply, all the circulation, and other Solana ecosystem meme coin and AI category meme coin. You can see, friends, AI category meme coin just like Fart coin. We saw massive hype recently for Fart coin, for Gold coin, for Turbo, and for all other AI category meme coin. So this coin can be the next big meme coin. We are only 42% down this all-time high about 9 days ago, and you can see, friends, 6,000% up in its all-time low. Coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. Within just 2 months of its launching, okay, in 2 months, coin has already killed 2 zeros. So this is awesome performance. KuCoin has already listed this coin. CoinX has listed. MEXC has listed, HTX has listed, you can see, friends, Phoenix has listed. So already listed on to many major central exchanges, but friends, still there's no Binance yet for this coin. And I think because this market cap is already awesome, last 24-hour trading volume is good, so it's definitely possible that we can see its listing on Binance exchange in coming maybe few weeks here. I'm very bullish about this meme coin, that this coin can be the next listing for Binance. Press 49,000 holders for this meme coin. Okay, you can see 49,000 holders for this meme coin. And these are the top wallet they are holding this coin. You can see number one wallet has 4% of supply, two has 2% of supply. Okay, and number 10 wallet has 1.4% of supply. So this is good that no any wallet holding high supply. You can see, friends, Bybit wallet number 15 is Bybit Exchange wallet. They are holding 0.95% of its token. So this is good because this token is already listed on Bybit Exchange, HTX Exchange, so already listed on many exchanges. So friends, I think because this is AI meme coin and have massive hype in crypto market right now, so it's possible that maybe this coin or Fart coin we can see listing on Binance soon. Okay, and after Binance listing, definitely we can see this coin maybe 3 to 5x in short term. But my price prediction about this meme coin for long term, for at least at 12 months from now, in next year mega bullion, next year super cycle meme coins bullion, this meme coin can reach maybe at to $10 billion. Okay, friends, it's really possible that we can see this meme coin up to $10 billion in next year mega bullion, friends, because still we are in bearish market right now. Bitcoin is again dumping here. I know this is short term dump, and we can see market recover soon here, and all other meme coins and altcoins will pump soon. But definitely in short term, we can see a bearish market here. But definitely when crypto market will be recovered here in next year, okay, 2025, nearly fourth quarter, last quarter of next year, we can see massive bullion, and at that time, super cycle meme coin bullion, this coin can reach maybe $10 billion market. So I think Binance can list this coin soon because awesome. You can see, friends, at $6 million trading volume, $350 million market for this meme coin. So everything about this meme coin looks good. But friends, this video is no any financial advice video. If you are making investment in this meme coin, do your own research and then invest here.